Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can create a new project in Visual Studio Code, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our VS Code. So here if you want to create a new project, you just need to be click onto the file, and then here you have the couple of options, that is new text file, new folder, and whatever you want to create you are allowed to create it from that place. So here I will click on this one, like open a folder. Just click over here, and from that place you are allowed to open a folder. So I will give a name that will be HTML/VS Code, and here I will click to the select folder. This is not added here, so I will create a folder that name with the HTML. Then just click to this one and just select this one and just click to the select folder, and it already went done. So here I will click on yes, I trust the authors. It's okay. Now here I will just open a new file that will be mahin.html, and it already been created. So I will go over here and create the file. Just click to the create file, and it already been created. So here you can write your code easily from here, and your project already been created. So this is the easiest way to create a new project on your VS Code. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you're thinking for creation your project, then you can go with by using this formula or this guided. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.